It's vinyl time!
What's going on, YouTube? Friends and family, how are you guys doing? I hope all is well. Welcome to today's episode. Woo! But I figured I'd take this time to make this video, just in case anybody wants to apply vinyl to a cup for a gift or just in general. This is how you do it. All right, so check it out. I have the font choice, and I'm just gonna do Cousin Crew because we're cousins. So now I gotta get my measurement of how I want to do this. I think I'll do Cousin Crew like small down here in this area. And then I'll do, let me see, I'm going to put her name. Usually people put their name like the long way. That's cool, but I want to do it a little different. I might do it, you know, up here across. Like, just smaller, make it look clean, classy. I'm going to use etched vinyl, so it looks like it's etched glass, kind of. I think that'll look. I was thinking white, but I want to see what the etched looks like on there, so I'm gonna use that vinyl. So I'm just gonna get. Let me see. Just gonna get the measurement for what I want. You know how big I want it. I'll probably go 3.5 for her name, and then maybe 2 inches for Cousin Crew. So let me set that up. 2 inches in width, symmetrically, and then 3.5 for her name. Hopefully she likes this font. I think it's pretty cool. So now I have to go into my cutting software. That's what directs the cutter, the plotter, cutter, gives it the command to cut the image. So just transfer everything over from Corel Draw. If you have questions on setting up designs or coming up with ideas or something like that, let me know in the comments. All right, so now we have our design ready. Everything's measured out. Time to send it to the cutter, so let's do that. Send. So next step, cutting the vinyl. Okay, we are ready to move on to our next step. We need to mask this with the transfer tape, and then we can transfer it over to our cup. Let's go! So you want to squeegee your masking tape, transfer tape, down onto your letters so that when you go to pull it off, you know, it pulls these letters up onto the transfer tape, so that way when you go to transfer it onto your substrate, makes it easier. Okay, so there we got her name. Cousin Crew. All right. So now, let's put some letters on this cup. So like I said, I'm gonna put her name kind of higher to this area around here. So it'll be, kind of up there. Check it out. Let's go for it. So the transfer tape pulls the letter off of your backing. Sometimes the vinyl wants to stay onto the backing, so go slow, especially with something small like this, or if you have even small cutout areas, because you might lose a letter or something like that. I like living on the edge, putting my eyes and senses to use. Just squeegee it down onto the cup. See what happens. Okay. Oh, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie. Look at it. It is straight as an arrow on there. It's out. Ooh! I have it on table. Look at that. Is perfect. That came out really good. Okay, let's do Cousin Crew. Okay, Cousin Crew. Oh man, look at this. Let me flip this. That came out real good. Ooh. Hopefully she likes it. All right, so look at that. Hopefully she ends up liking this. Little quick gift. That is how you apply vinyl to this surface for a cup as a gift, or if you're just trying to personalize your own. So yeah, just get, buy a cup. I bought that cup from a hobby store. You need vinyl, you need a cutter, design software, just your minor tools, cleaning material, stuff like that. So, but if you want to make gifts like this, or just if you need the vinyl because you can't, don't have a way to cut it or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I could produce it for you and ship it out to you. But other than that, please like, subscribe, share. If you guys like to see anything in particular that I can put vinyl on, let me know as well. And once again, you guys are awesome. I hope you guys are, great and have a great day. Thanks for watching.